Can't log in or refresh your Instagram feed? You may have been hit with an Instagram IP ban. In this video, I'll show you what causes it and how to fix it. Usually, Instagram IP restrictions happen for three main reasons. First, bot-like behavior. If you're mass following, rapid-fire liking, or dropping the same comment everywhere. To Instagram, you look like a bot, and that's enough to get your IP restricted. Second, multiple accounts on one network. Running several Instagram accounts from the same Wi-Fi or IP, especially if they're all doing similar things, following the same people, posting the same content. Instagram may see that as manipulative behavior, and your network gets restricted. Third, inheriting a low-trust IP. This one's frustrating because it's not even your fault. Wi-Fi and mobile networks constantly recycle IP addresses. If the person before you was running bots or spamming, that IP might already be on Instagram's radar. And now you're stuck with it. Alright, here are two ways to fix it. Fix number one, use Instagram's Help Center. If you believe your account or IP was restricted by mistake, you can visit help.instagram.com and check the I can't log in section. Instagram may restore your access after reviewing your activity. It doesn't always work, but it's worth trying. Fix number two, change your IP. If you're on Wi-Fi, the simplest thing is to restart your router. Some ISPs will give you a new IP after reconnecting, but not all of them do. Another way is to use a VPN. It routes your connection through a different server, so you get a completely different IP. With X-VPN, it's free and no sign-up needed. Just open the app, one tap to connect, and try Instagram again. And X-VPN also keeps its IP pool clean and regularly refreshed, so you're less likely to land on an IP that's already been flagged. Links in the description. So that's how you fix an Instagram IP ban. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.